I've been to a few countries and done little hikes here and there, but nothing that I would say is ever as difficult as the Pennine Way. The whole walk is about 270 miles. I'll be doing about 20 miles a day, and it should take me about 2 weeks, hopefully. So I did this the whole walk 10 years ago when I was 14. Me, my brother and my dad all did it. We did it in aid of Bluebell Wood, which is a local charity for children with cancer. And yeah, it was pretty disastrous. We were a little bit unplanned and unprepared for some parts, and I really underestimated how far a mile was. Yeah, when me, my dad and my brother did it, we got so lost. We were on the wrong side of a river, so we had to wade through this river up to our stomachs. And my brother was crying. I dropped the guidebook in the water. I dropped my bag. Oh, it was horrible. This time I'm going to be doing the majority of it solo, and I'm going to try and do it a lot faster as well. That means more that I'll have to carry myself, so we won't be able to distribute the weight. I've got to think about the weight of my bag, so I'm going to probably not bring too much food with me and try and eat when I get into any kind of villages. There's quite a lot of youth hostels along the way. That's be definitely my time to kind of recuperate, shower. But the last time I did it, I spent most of my time under streams and rivers, anything. I was like a caveman, so I'll probably be doing that again. In those kind of days, waking up the next day and having to just do another 20-mile day, then going to sleep, then just waking up and doing the same. I think that might be a bit of a struggle. I'm giving up a bed, giving up warmth. I'll be camping in the fields and stuff. To be honest, I'll probably be sleeping like a baby every night, because I'll have walked 20, 30 miles that day. Yeah, I'll probably be sleeping all right. I'm going to be doing the walk in aid of Rally International. They're a charity in the UK that work with communities around the world, helping with sanitation, with water, with hygiene. And yeah, it's a really great charity. It helps a lot of people in the UK who want to kind of get involved in charity, want to get involved in fundraising. I'm going to be working with them in September. I'm going to be working as a team leader in Tanzania. I'm going to be doing a wash project, which is going to be water and sanitation and hygiene. I think it's a really worthwhile charity, and it really helps a lot of people. I'm setting up on the 15th of July. It's not like I'm dreading it, I'm really excited because it's some of the most beautiful parts of the UK, like the best places to hike in the world. I managed to do it when I was 14 in 2 weeks, so I'm hoping at 24 I can do it either the same or faster, but we'll have to see. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing with this camera. I'm sorry, Luke, if you see it, because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. There we go. On. Halfway through the first day. My knee's already killed. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Day 2. So this is the second day. I'm on deer play right now. The first day lasted about 13 hours. We set off really late, then we which is like a 26-mile day. And yeah, I underestimated how far a mile was. I'm knackered. I have 4 blisters and I had to hike in the dark. Yeah, it's a bit late. Yeah, not a very great first day. But this second day is really nice. Yeah, got about 5 more miles left. See you in a bit. Day 3. Nearly at Hadrian's Wall. I'm on a plane just before getting to Hadrian's Wall. The walk between Burness and Bellingham, there is nothing. But today we've had farms and yeah, lots of things. You might be able to see if any of them walk over the lens. Like now, there are so many flies. I'm currently sat in an old unused sheep pen. 10 years ago we used this as our camp on day 4. So I'm a little bit ahead of 14-year-old me. It's so windy and horrible, but I'm currently on Hadrian's Way. Yeah, the weather's pretty terrible. I've walked about 13 miles so far. I've got 7 more miles. I'm trying to hopefully get to Once Brewed. And then there's apparently a pub there called Twice Brewed where I'm desperate for a pint. Just on top of Hadrian's Wall now. This is the start of day 4. It's about 6 AM. I'm on top of a windshield, which is the highest point on the wall. My aim is to get to Ulster today, which is a solid 25-mile day. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do it. This is a river that 10 years ago we were walking on the left-hand side when we were meant to be walking on the right-hand side, so this is where we had to cross. Yesterday was really bad because I kept getting lost because I wasn't reading my map properly. From Greenhead to Garrigill is really poorly signposted. And I've got to get to Greg's Hut, which is a hut 5 miles down something called Hawks Road. Hopefully it isn't as rough as yesterday. I've got so many blisters, not enough blister plasters, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Greg's Hut is a bothy. It's one of the huts built in the mountains to protect walkers when the weather conditions are bad. Yesterday the weather conditions were really bad. Hopefully today it's going to be a little bit better because we're going to be going over Crossfell, which is the highest point in Pennine Way. So I'm on Great Dunfell, coming down to Dufton. The weather is fucking horrible. But it's a shorter day today. Civilization. Day 10. My phone's dead. I'm hoping to get over to Dodfell today. On day 11 I'm going to be walking to Malham, about a 22-mile walk from here. Yeah, the last few days have been really rough. My phone has broken, my tent ripped because I had a dream I was drowning. I snapped 2 walking poles. Another one bites the dust. I've bruised the lower part of my leg. I'm aiming to finish next Monday, so I should have about 5 or 6 more days left. I'm being followed. It's day 13 and I'm here at Top Withens. It's absolutely pissing it down with rain. Been in the middle of like a massive heat wave for the last 2 days, which has been insane. Hello.